Hey y'all, so last week was a beautiful week. Oh my god. I'm gonna briefly go over them so we can get into this week, but I literally gave out 3 trades and they all played out for over like 560 pips. Crazy. So, depending on the lot size that you use, the factors of what's in your account, all that, but easy $3,000 week just from taking 30 minutes of your time to mark up a chart. So the first trade that I gave out was from right here. I'm not gonna go into details of the breakdown on why I took the trade because that's what my previous videos were. Like if you go into my last video that I posted, I literally broke down like before all of this. I'm gonna highlight it before her. Before all of this even happened, I literally gave it step by step on like me seeing this happen. Like I literally saw this in the future, like a dang what do they call it, a fortune teller, psychic, whatever. Okay, just played out beautifully. So we had the breaker retest right here, we had a breaker retest right here with a continuation all the way up to the daily trend line. I said that it was going to stay at this daily trend line for a minute because since it is a higher time frame, it was the daily, that means price is going to stay there for a minute before it continues in that main direction that it's supposed to be going in. So this is how it looks on the 30-minute time frame. If you go on the 4-hour, you can see this whole wick exhaustion pushing price down, and it's retesting this red zone, which is my daily zone right here. So looking left, this is a key area where these yellow boxes are highlighted, where price was retesting and stopping. It was literally like resisting that area, so it wasn't pushing past that area. So I made a zone going from there all the way straight across. This previous structure right here on this daily that I have drawn out, it hit TP2, which means that I was looking for an overall shift of the major structure, and we're at that point right now since we had this break and this retest of this daily trend line. So we have a break right there, and then we have, move this over some, and let me put my computer on do not disturb because I don't need no text popping up. Okay. So we had the break right there, and we just had this retest. Beautiful. All that wick exhaustion just showing sellers were coming in. So now the overall major structure that I'm looking at, remember, this is the higher time frame. We're on the 4-hour right now. That takes longer to play out, like that full structure, but there's multiple structures inside of that for you to take advantage of. So now I'm looking for here to this zone right here. Everything blue on my chart is 4-hour zone. So that's the structure now. This is my overall target. Back to this 4-hour zone right here that I have drawn out. Now, the only thing that can change this is if price pushes back up past this daily trend line and retest to go up. I'm always ready for both sides to happen. Yes, I have my main primary what I'm looking for, but I'm also prepared for both sides to happen in the market. But right now what I'm seeing, this is the overall motion that I'm looking for is to happen in the market. Now let's go to where price is right now. Just getting straight to it. I'm on the 30-minute. Right now we're at this zone. We previously broke. We're creating a little low right here. I drew this. I believe I drew this on the 15-minute. Yeah, so I want to see how this reacts in this area. I want to see if it's going to continue to retest it to push down, or I want to see if it's going to break through here, go like that, creating a higher low in that direction. That's what I want to see happening next for gold. and that's a minor move to look for. So in this scenario, let's see. This is the structure right here. Hit TP2. Let's look at RSI. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. Let's exit out of this. It's going down. It's like this is going up. This is a little bit flat. Let's see how it looks on 30 minutes. Same scenario. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes. Instead of a 15-minute. The market kind of just opened, so let's see. Let's see if price decides to come back up to this zone too. So like I said, really just seeing like what it does in this area. If it retests this trend line, then I'll be looking for it to push down here, and that'll be about 111 pips. If it decides that it wants to break through here, like that, most likely we'll go to the 15-minute. Wherever that high is, that's where I will put my fib. So let's just say it comes here, pulls back, take it up. Definitely take it up to TP1. If there's more bullish momentum, then take it up to TP2. So that is a potential 100 to 150 pips for gold. If this doesn't make sense, if you're new to this, I definitely recommend grabbing a one-on-one session with me, Zoom session, because that's where I break everything down. Because I know everything seems like a foreign language, but you just have to learn it. That's what anything seems like complicated at first until you grasp it and understand it. And I try my best to make everything super simple. And when you get that one-on-one, you're going to get access to my course teaching you everything from A through Z, and your girl is here for you. I ain't leaving you in the dirt, okay? I'm here to make sure that you're great, because this is the perfect skill to learn to make money no matter what's happening in the economy. The economy can be going to, excuse my language, it could be going to shit, but as long as you know how to read a chart, you can make money. If the market's going down, you know to sell. If the market's going up, you know to buy. Gold is one of my favorites. It's just one of those pairs where I love trading it. Yeah, this is definitely a skill that everybody needs to learn, because at the end of the day, like, you want to be your own boss. You can still keep your job if you love your job, but still make money on the side. Just like my student pro, she had a full-time job and she was able to flip $500 to $50,000 in 3 months. Crazy, right? But it happened. It happened just from learning this skill. And if you don't believe me, I got my YouTube videos up. I got all my testimonials up of all my students. So yeah, if you need that, definitely click the link below in the description. But that's what I see for gold. I haven't marked up GU, but let me briefly look at it. I'm trying to keep my videos now like super short. I don't want to do too much. Let me see. Let's go to this daily, back to the daily. We're at this weekly level. Anytime we're at a weekly level, there's always going to be some type of consolidation. This is what did I write? Near weekly level and previous resistance can see price pushing up and consolidating before reversing. Okay, and that's exactly what it's doing. I think I wrote that last week. Let's see. Okay, so that's the daily. 4 hour. Let's see what's happening on a 4 hour. Let's see if there's that push down, that push down. Okay, right here. I want to see how that RSI looks on that 1 hour. But just from looking off this right here, let me get rid of that trend line. I like to keep my charts pretty clean for the most part. Keeps me sane. Let's go to the 1 hour. So we have this trend line right here that was clearly broken. Where the little box at? Right here. We broke this twice. Let's go to 30 minutes. So we can see this is going down. RSI, that's going up a little bit. So what I would do, if price is pulling back, because I want to see if it's going to pull back or continue pushing down. Let's go on the 15 minute. It's based off, yeah, you can clearly see divergence. Super clear on the 15 minute. So this TP2 been hit. Steep. See, if prices come down here, it'll still be above this low right here. So if we create something like this, where price comes back down, that'll be a minor structure to enter, to take it up. Let's say to TP2 for 34 pips. Go back on that higher time frame. This is the thing that you have to be mindful of too, is moving around on your chart. Don't stay stuck on one time frame. I definitely do want to see price come back to this trend line though overall. Right now I can see it possibly like pushing up some to this zone, and then looking to see if it's going to retest it at that area. So it'll literally be something like this. Like that. So if it comes back to this area, you can be looking for divergence, or you can wait for another point to be made to get another trend line to be made so you can get a break and retest to continue. But if another high is made and it's below this high right here, I'll be looking for a sale. Back to this trend line that was broken. That'll be 78 pips, 79 pips. And voila, there we go, GU and gold. So go make y'all money, y'all. If you need more reassurance, gain more confidence in your trade, learn how to read a chart, make sure to click the link below. All right, see y'all.